now we have the frosting and it is all ready to go on our cake as soon as it's done baking. You can kind of do it however you like. I'm doing a swirl, so it looks very cinnamon roll-ish. And when you do it hot out of the oven, like the icing just melts on it. It's so delicious. So there you have it, my 30-minute cinnamon roll skillet cake. This is one of the most loved recipes on my blog, and I hope you love it too. For the full recipe and more recipes, you can visit chelseasmessyapron.com.